Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I'm Marie. Today we are going to crochet this super easy and simple solid granny hexagon. You can use these to sew together into a beautiful retro style blanket or cushion covers or something completely different. So let's just get started. For this project I am just going to use one color of DK weight yarn. I will also need a 4.5mm crochet hook, a darning needle, and some scissors. To begin, I'm going to make a slip knot. So I will form a loop, place my working yarn behind the loop, grab my yarn inside the loop with my hook and pull tight. And then I'm going to chain 5. So yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I'm now going to form a little ring by making a slip stitch into this first chain. So insert, pull up a loop, pull through the loop on the hook. So here's a little ring that I'm going to make my stitches into. So for round 1, I'm going to chain 3. 1, 2, and 3. And these 3 chains will count as the first double crochet of the round. I'm now going to make 2 more double crochet into the ring. So yarn over, insert, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And again, double crochet. I'm then going to chain 1 and make another 3 double crochet into the ring. 1, 2, and 3. Again, chain 1 and make 3 double crochet into the ring. 1, 2, and 3. So as you can see, I now have 3 clusters of 3 double crochet into the ring. I'm going to have 3 more clusters, so I have a total of 6 clusters. So again, chain 1 and make 3 double crochet, chain 1 again and make 3 double crochet, and one last time chain 1 and make 3 double crochet into the ring. And chain 1. And I'm going to end the round with a slip stitch into the top of the chain 3 here from the beginning. So insert, pull up a loop, pull through the loop on the hook. And again, chain 3. And the chain 3 will count as the first double crochet of the round. So I'm going to make another double crochet into the next 2 stitches. And I've now reached the first chain space here of the hexagon. So into this space, which is also a corner, I'm going to make 1 double crochet, chain 1, and 1 double crochet into the same space. So 1 double crochet, chain 1, and 1 more double crochet. And next, double crochet into the next 3 stitches. 1, 2, and 3. And again, into the corner space here, I will make 1 double crochet, chain 1, and 1 more double crochet. Chain 1, and another double crochet. And again, double crochet into the next 3 stitches. Again, 1 double crochet, chain 1, and 1 double crochet into the corner space. And double crochet into the next 3 stitches. And again, into the corner space, 1 double crochet, chain 1, and 1 more double crochet. And double crochet into the next 3. And again, into the next space here, 1 double crochet, chain 1, 1 double crochet into the same space. And again, double crochet into the next 3 stitches. And I've reached the very last corner, so I will make 1 double crochet, chain 1, and 1 more double crochet. And I will end the round with a slip stitch into the top of the chain 3. Insert, pull through the loop on the hook. So here's what my work looks like at the end of row 2. So I'm just going to continue and make 3 chains, which will count as the first double crochet of round 3. Then I will make a double crochet into the next 3 stitches. And into the corner space, I will again make 1 double crochet, chain 1, and 1 more double crochet. And I now have 5 stitches here in the side of the hexagon, so I'm just going to make a double crochet into these 5 stitches. And into the corner, I will again make 1 double crochet, chain 1, and 1 more double crochet into the same space. And from here, I can just repeat all the way around, making all the sides and the corners of my hexagon just like I did before. So double crochet into the 5 stitches of the sides, and into the corners make a double crochet, chain 1, and a double crochet all into the same space. So I will just continue and meet you at the end of the round. And I have only 1 stitch left now of the round, and I will just make a double crochet into this last stitch. And again, I will make a slip stitch into the top of the chain 3 to close the round. And I can just continue this way and make as many rounds as I want to. So I'm going to chain 3 again to start the next round. And again, I will make a double crochet into the next 4 stitches. And into the corner space, as before, double crochet, chain 1, and double crochet into the same space. And as you can see, I now have 7 double crochet in each side of the hexagon. So for every round, the sides will have 2 more double crochets to work into. So I will just make a double crochet into each of these 7 stitches. And again, I will just repeat all the way around. So into the corner spaces, I will make a double crochet, chain 1, and a double crochet into the same space. And into the sides, I will make a double crochet into every one of the 7 stitches. So I will just continue and meet you at the end of the round. And here at the end of the round, I just made my last corner and I have 2 stitches left of the round. So I will just make a double crochet in those last 2 stitches. So I now again have 7 double crochet for the last side here. And I will end the round with a slip stitch into the top of the chain 3. And from here you can just continue to make as many rounds in your hexagon as you want to. Just remember that for each side you will have 2 more stitches to work into for every round. And it's always really important to weave in the ends thoroughly on the back side. So just attach your needle and weave in the yarn tails back and forth a few times. It really doesn't take long, and it's really so much worth it to not have your blanket unravel suddenly. And we are all done. So thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed it, and make sure to write me a comment in the comment section. I really enjoy reading all of your comments and I reply to every single one of them. So if you have any great suggestions for what I could make in my next video, I'd really like to hear from you as well. So have a wonderful day, and I hope to see you for the next video. Bye bye.